Guys, welcome to a very short YouTube tutorial. In this tutorial I'm going to show you how to make your GUIs fit on all devices. So if you've picked in a size and position for your GUI, but if you go on your mobile, it looks proper weird and it's in a completely wrong position and it's far too big. In this video I'm going to show you how to make it so it's the same size on all devices. So you're going to need a plugin called Auto Scale Lite. I'll leave a link for it in the description so you can go get it. So once you got that, you need to click on the blue icon there with the two arrows on it, and then where it says position, click on scale, and then where it says size, click on scale, and then shut that off. And then when you go into the mobile version, and scale down so that you can see it perfectly. Alright, so if this video helps you and want to see more, then make sure you like, subscribe, and turn the bell to be notified when a video comes out. See, I'll see you in the next video. Goodbye.